Does your mind ever feel stuck, like it's caught in a loop of what ifs, constantly replaying worries and draining your energy, wearing down the same anxious pathways until they become deep, familiar grooves? But what if that wasn't the end of the story? What if, in just a few moments, you could gently interrupt that cycle? This isn't about fighting your thoughts or forcing yourself to feel calm. It's about creating a new choice. It's an invitation to step away from the noise and tune into a quiet space that already exists within you, just waiting to be rediscovered. Think of this as a short, guided experience to help you do just that. Together, we'll introduce your mind to a gentle technique that interrupts old patterns and creates new pathways for quiet, for resilience, and for a sense of calm you can carry with you long after these 10 minutes are over. All right, let's get ready to begin. Find a position that feels comfortable and supportive for you. Whether that's sitting in a chair with your feet on the ground or lying down somewhere comfortable. There's no need to be rigid. The only goal is to let your body feel at ease. If it feels comfortable for you, gently allow your eyes to close. If not, just soften your gaze, letting it rest on a point a few feet in front of you. Take a moment to just arrive here, giving yourself permission to let go of whatever came before this moment and whatever might come after. For the next few minutes, there's nowhere else you need to be and nothing else you need to do. There is only this moment and your breath. Start by bringing your awareness to the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Feel the support of the chair or the floor holding you. Let gravity do its work, allowing your body to feel heavy and secure. Now, let's just tune into the simple rhythm of your breath. Don't try to change it, just notice it. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils. Follow that breath as it travels down into your chest and maybe into your belly, feeling that slight expansion. And then, notice the release as you exhale, the gentle letting go. You can imagine your breath is like the soft waves of an ocean. The inhale, a wave rolling toward the shore. The exhale, the water receding back into the calm sea. Each breath is an anchor to this present moment, a safe harbor. Now, let's deepen this sense of calm by focusing on the breath in your belly. If you'd like, you can place a hand gently on your stomach. As you breathe in, invite the breath to travel all the way down, feeling your belly softly rise. This kind of deep breathing is a powerful signal to your nervous system that you are safe. Then, a long, slow exhale. Feel your belly soften and fall. Let's take a few more like that. A deep inhale filling the belly, and a slow, full exhale, grounding you right here. If your mind starts to wander, and it will, that's what minds do, that's completely normal. Just notice where it went, without judgment. And then, very gently, guide your attention back to the feeling of your breath. This act of noticing and gently returning is the practice. That's the rewiring in action. Now, let's try a simple technique to calm a racing mind. we're going to gently shift the rhythm of the breath. I invite you to breathe in through your nose for a silent count of 4. Gently hold it for 4. And then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Let's try that again. In for 4. Hold for 4. And a long, slow exhale for 6. Continue with this rhythm for a few more rounds, just at your own pace. This extended exhale is one of the quickest ways to tell your body it's safe to relax. With every long, slow exhale, feel your shoulders dropping. Feel the tiny muscles around your eyes softening. Feel your jaw unclench. Your body knows how to do this. You're just giving it permission. Now, just let your breath return to its own natural rhythm. As you rest here, I invite you to bring a hand to your heart, feeling the warmth of your own touch. Let this be a gesture of kindness to yourself. And right here, we'll plant a few seeds for new thought patterns. As you breathe, silently repeat these phrases to yourself, just letting them land without any effort. My breath supports me. I can be with this feeling. Feelings come and go like waves. With each exhale, I release what I don't need. I am finding my strength. Don't force yourself to believe these words. You're just introducing a new story. Anxiety often speaks in loud certainties. These phrases offer a gentle alternative. For this last minute, simply rest. Rest in the quiet you've cultivated. Do a quick, gentle scan of your body. If you notice any lingering tightness, maybe in your shoulders or your jaw, just imagine your next exhale softening that spot. Let yourself be held and supported. Notice how your body and mind feel now, compared to when you began. There's no right or wrong way to feel. Just observe. This quiet was already here, just waiting underneath the noise. The journey of rewiring your brain happens moment by moment, breath by breath, and you just spent these past few minutes actively creating that change. You've shown your mind and your nervous system that peace is possible, even when things feel uncertain. This feeling of calm is now a real, recent memory. It's a resource you can draw on. Remember that you can return to your breath at any time, in a quiet moment at your desk, while waiting in line, or before you go to sleep. That anchor is always with you. By taking this time for yourself, you are building resilience. You are cultivating peace. When you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Notice the sounds around you. Feel the air on your skin. Gently start to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing soft movement back into your body. And only when you feel ready, allow your eyes to gently open. Take one final deep breath in and let it go with a sigh. If you found this practice helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might also enjoy a few moments of peace. Thank you for taking this time for you. I'm wishing you love and peace wherever this moment finds you.